Kia ora, I'm Brooke. I'm a postdoctoral fellow from the Liggins Institute in Auckland, New Zealand, and today I'm going to share with you some exciting findings from our recent fecal microbiome transfer trial. So in this trial, we recruited 87 adolescents with obesity, and we randomized half of them to receive FMT capsules containing the gut microbes from 4 sex-matched donors. And using shotgun metagenomics, we profiled their gut microbiomes for up to 6 months. So despite recipients receiving an equal dose of microbes from 4 donors, we found that 1 female and 1 male donor dominated strain engraftment. Compared to the other donors, these super donors were typically more diverse and had a high Prevotella to Bacteroides ratio. So overall, we found that FMT induced long-lasting shifts in both the structure and functional potential of recipient gut microbiomes. However, its effects vary considerably between recipients, suggesting that the host environment is still a critical factor influencing the success of microbial therapies.